Why the hell does your stomach growl like a demon trapped in a balloon? Relax. Nothing's exploding. Your gut is just doing its regular muscle workout. Your stomach isn't shrinking when you're hungry. It's basically a floppy, half-deflated balloon. And when it empties out, the muscles in your stomach and intestines start contracting to move things along. That process is called peristalsis. These squeezes push around leftover fluid, gas, and air, and because there's no food inside to muffle anything, every movement echoes like a cave full of wet noises. That rumbling you hear, it's literally just your digestive muscles sloshing around whatever's left in there.